Greetings from the opulent and eco-friendly travel of the future. Introducing the BYD Motorhome 2026, a revolutionary creation that combines BYD's expertise in electric vehicle technology with the incredible comfort of a motorhome. The design is visually striking and embodies BYD's commitment to innovation with its sleek, modern shape, modern LED lighting, and smooth aerodynamic lines. The motorhome has integrated solar panels on the roof for optimal energy efficiency and incorporates the ocean aesthetics design concept, which was influenced by BYD's most recent passenger cars. It is practical as well as stylish. A cutting-edge all-electric drivetrain driven by BYD's most recent Blade battery technology, which is known for its durability and safety, sits beneath this gorgeous exterior. Long-distance driving is made possible by the amazing instantaneous power and torque produced by two electric motors, which also have an amazing range and smoothly accelerate. You enter and are greeted by a dashboard that embraces the idea of a digital cockpit. All entertainment, navigation, and motorhome functions are managed by a large, easy-to-use touchscreen, and a digital instrument panel clearly shows crucial driving data. Combining light wood or metal elements with sustainable, soft-touch materials creates a contemporary, eco-friendly atmosphere. The interior design is mostly adjustable and modular, making use of every available square inch. The great upholstery, swivel, and folding characteristics of the couches and chairs make it simple to convert the living room into a dining space or even an additional bed. Programmable LED ambient lighting adds a luxury touch and produces a range of mood-appropriate ambiances. The bedroom in the back is a peaceful haven. It has a king or queen bed with a comfortable memory foam mattress, convenient storage, and panoramic windows to enjoy the lovely surroundings. Your personal comfort and amusement are enhanced by a flat-screen TV and an integrated audio system. The bathroom's design aims to be both opulent and functional. A toilet with a water-saving flush system, a stylish sink with an illuminated mirror, and a contemporary shower with high water pressure. The highest level of comfort is offered by superior waterproof materials and efficient ventilation. With a huge freezer-equipped refrigerator, a well-integrated double sink, an induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven, the kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's paradise. You can prepare delectable meals wherever you go thanks to the great surfaces and ample storage space. The BYD Motorhome 2026 is a mobile luxury house that operates entirely on electricity and BYD's relentless innovation. Get ready for an amazing voyage. It is a platform for boundless exploration rather than merely a transportation.